Alright, I've got a fucking bright light in front of my fucking eyes. I can't see jack shit now. Right, cuffs. Not double lock yet. Double lock. Double lock.
They roll into town around 8:45. Dust on their boots, chrome tools on a line, cards up their sleeves, grin sharp as a key. Sheriff says, boys, try escaping from me. They're the shacklemen, rattle the chains, slip right out of iron and blame. Click, clack, heart attack, watch them grin. You get locked the door, but they walk right in. Hey!